100 Affirmations to Build First-Class Self-Image. Listening to affirmations about building a first-class self-image can be a life-changing habit if embraced consistently. Each repetition is like nourishing rain, helping the seeds of self-esteem and self-belief planted in your mind to grow. Every affirmation you listen to and internalize is another step towards your personal masterpiece. So, I encourage you to listen to these affirmations over and over again. Think of these affirmations as your personal soundtrack for growth and empowerment. Make them your daily mantra, and watch how they transform your self-image into a vibrant, confident reflection of your true potential. Remember, it's not just about listening. It's about believing and embodying these words in your daily life. You have the power to shape your destiny and sculpt your first-class self-image. I am worthy of respect and admiration. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more successful. I love and accept myself unconditionally. My confidence knows no bounds. My potential to succeed is infinite. I am courageous and stand up for myself. I acknowledge my self-worth. My confidence is soaring. I let go of any negative feelings about myself and accept all that is good. I am proud of my achievements. I am becoming more knowledgeable and wiser with each passing day. I have the power to create change. My life is just beginning. I am talented and intelligent. I am a winner. I believe in myself and my capabilities. My strength is greater than any struggle. I am capable of achieving great things. I am a powerful creator. I am worthy of all the good life has to offer. I am more than enough. My mind is filled with positive and nourishing thoughts. I overcome fears by facing them head on. I am a beacon of love and compassion. My possibilities are endless. I forgive those who have harmed me and peacefully detach from them. I radiate beauty, charm, and grace. I am a magnet for experiences I desire. I am love. I am purpose. I was made with divine intention. I do not bow down to negativity. I am admired. I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. I am a powerhouse. I am indestructible. I deserve the best and I accept the best now. I am proud of myself and all that I have accomplished. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I am choosing happiness. I have the power to accomplish everything I need to do today. I trust my intuition, and I always make wise decisions. I am focused on my goals and feel passionate about my work. I work well under pressure and always feel motivated. I love and accept myself for who I am. I am grateful for the wealth and prosperity in my life. I am free to create the life I desire. I am courageous and overcome my fears. I am growing and evolving every day. I make positive and healthy decisions. I am in control of my thoughts, feelings, and choices. I choose to be proud of myself. I find deep inner peace within myself as I am. I fill my day with hope and face it with joy. I choose faith over fear. I am successful in whatever I do. I am brimming with energy and overflowing with joy. I have a positive and healing impact on others. I am surrounded by love and everything is fine. I am a problem solver. I focus on solutions and always find the best one. I am the architect of my life. I choose to be happy right now. I love my life. I have inner beauty, and it shines through my outward appearance. I have the power to create all the success and prosperity I desire. I let go of any negative feelings about myself and accept all that is good. I always attract only the best in my life. I am resilient, strong, and brave, and I can't be destroyed. I believe in my ability to unlock the way and set myself free. I have unlimited power to replace my false and limiting beliefs about myself. I am worthy of having high self-esteem. I love and treasure my body and take care of it well. I honor my inner voice and trust my intuition. I am blessed with an abundance of health. My mind is full of brilliant ideas. I am at peace with my past. I am in charge of my life. I am self-reliant, creative, and persistent in whatever I do. I am worthy of love, peace, and joy. I am becoming stronger and more courageous every day. I am a winner and the best at what I do. I am confident in my ability to change my life. I have the will and the drive to succeed. I replace negative thoughts with positive ones. I am blessed with unending abundance. I am healthy, happy, and radiant. I believe in myself and trust my own wisdom. I am a successful person. I am respectful to others and command respect in return. I am a giver of love and positivity. I have the courage to create positive change in my life. I acknowledge my own self-worth. I am grateful for the abundance that I have and the abundance on its way. Every cell in my body vibrates with energy and health. I love myself more every day. I am at peace with myself. I am not my mistakes. I am growing spiritually every day. I am at peace with all that has happened in my life. My life is filled with prosperity. I hold the keys to my destiny. I possess the qualities needed to be successful. My life is just beginning. I have the courage to face my fears. I have all that I need to make today a great day. I am and always will be enough. I hope you found these positive affirmations beneficial and inspiring. If they've helped you in any way to foster positivity and enhance your self-belief, please do give this video a like. Your support not only validates the impact these affirmations can have, but also helps others who might need this dose of positivity in their lives to find this video. Remember, your like can make a difference.